Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the Lavish family.
So we're on an adventure today. We're actively looking for a new apartment because we're moving to Manchester, a new city.
A new start.
so it's actually exciting times for us because we've got quite a number of viewings to do today.
We have about 5.
And they're all nice places. We're really so excited because it just takes us back to when we did our apartment hunting for Birmingham. Exactly. So this is Manchester. We've always loved Manchester. So moving here now is just like what we've always wished for and all. So yeah, we want to embark on the apartment viewings and we want to take you guys along with us.
We just got to Manchester, but we're quite hungry, so we'll first grab breakfast and then we'll start our hunting. So yeah, come along with us.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah.
Cafe's here. Someone got cappuccino. Always his go-to. And I got my latte, as of course, with oat milk as a lactose intolerant body. We're waiting for our food now. I got the mini nut breakfast and Precious got club sandwich. I'm going to try avocado toast, but I always like having mine, the one I make myself at home. So yeah.
She's good at it. When she made it for me, it was really nice.
So I was scared to try it outside. So yeah, I'll just stick with my mini nut breakfast.
Can't wait for it. So our breakfast has arrived. That's my club sandwich, a lovely coffee. Look at Jennifer's view and her breakfast. Are you excited?
I'm happy.
Your food looks interesting.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, let's dive in.
Hey guys, so we just got to the first viewing. We're seeing an apartment in Salford. Yeah, and as we get living, we won't be mentioning the names of the apartments yet in case we decide to choose this one. But yeah, we're waiting in their viewing suits now, and then we want to see 2 bedrooms. That's what we want actually, but we'd also see a 1 bed just in case. But we're thinking of getting 2 beds. So yeah.
We have a pack day. We want to see as much as we can so we can make an informed decision with regards our new home. Exciting times.
Exciting times. We booked in about 8 viewings for today, but I don't think we'll see all 8. Out of the 8 viewings, there are 5 we really like. So maybe we'll do that 5 and then we'll carry you guys along. So, yeah.
I have an idea of what we might most likely go for, but fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. So yeah. The main bathroom does not have as much storage, but it's still good. Alright. Hey guys. So we finished seeing the first apartment. We really liked the options there, but my baby prefers places that are more central because that's in Salford. But he wanted a place that is close to Manchester city centre itself. So yeah, it was very close to Deansgate. That's what we liked.
But it has most of the features we like anyway. There's space, 2 bed, there's a balcony.
Yeah.
Just most of the things we like. Just it doesn't have an on-site gym. Even though they've got an arrangement with a nearby gym, but we would like the apartment to have an on-site gym just like what we presently have. But let's see, we've still got other options. So we're about seeing our next view now.
I'm so excited for this one
it
too.
surpasses the first one we've seen. And
I think we're more excited because this is a new build. So yeah, we're more pumped. So yeah, we'll carry you guys along and tell you what we think about this one as well.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
Okay, you said so.
Oh yeah, every apartment house.
Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright.
You guys, we really had a day, honestly.
It's been a packed day. Like we stayed this apartment tour like in the morning. Honestly, like it's evening now.
It's like past 5 now. We started by like 11 a.m.
The only reason why we probably even like achieved some things was because we chose to, you know, like not go ahead with some of the viewings. Yeah. So, but we're glad anyway that amongst all the ones we saw, like
we think we made that decision.
We think we made that decision. And we're right from the beginning. It's just about seeing if you guys can actually guess like which one we went for. But
the second one we went for, we really liked it as well. I know we didn't update you guys after we're done seeing it, and we like the fact
the second one.
Yeah. We like the fact that it had the gym in the building itself and you didn't have to share. The first one, they didn't have a gym on site and they had an arrangement with another gym, but we're not sure what that even means. So yeah, we prefer like accessibility to the gym. So yeah, that's it. The second one had the gym in. What else did you like in that one? I think the communal spaces as well.
Communal space, yeah. Nice views. Yeah, and generally the space, the rooms like had quite a lot of space.
And then they had like high floors, and they were giving us options. We like high floors. Like they gave us options up to the 22nd floor as well. So yeah, we liked that. The last one.
The bathrooms were also ensuite. Like
yes.
So
They had other layout as well, but we prefer the ones that each bedroom had like ensuite. So yeah, we like that. And what else did you like about
bath shower combination? So that was good.
I think that's the only thing we've missed from our current apartment. That's a shower, and we really sometimes like
to have a nice treat in a bath, you know. So and then in addition to that too, like they had concierge facilities. They had a cinema room.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that.
Lots of outdoor spaces, which are lots of games as well, like indoor games. Like there was table tennis, snooker
so excited
table.
About that one.
Yeah, that was really good. And yeah, basically there was extra space in the room, which we liked. Yeah, the other amenities like dishwasher. Yeah, the fridge was also as big as our present apartment. So we've got like a deep freezer and then also like the normal
and the
fridge space.
4-seater dining, which is basically what all the apartments have, which we like.
Yeah.
So yeah, the first apartment as well. I think what I liked was how the setup is. It felt like you're in a mini community. So I really liked that about that one.
Sure.
And what did you think about the last apartment?
The last one was nice. Like they had 2 apartment buildings. High floors. So that was good. That one it had up to the 34 floors. Up to 34 floors. Yeah. The configuration was nice. I liked the layout, the lounge, kitchen setup. The dining had this unique setup where it just looked like a division. Like it looked like a lounge area on its own. So that was actually quite nice. It had like ensuite bathrooms as well. Bath shower combination. That was nice. Quite a lot of space, quite a lot of storage spaces as well. So that was really good. They had a gym, but it was in one of the buildings. So if you were staying like in the other one, then you probably have to come over. Good recreational spaces. They had a cafe. Almost the pastries were like really killing me.
The smell. It feels like heaven in there because of the smell.
If you stay in the apartment, you get 15% off the cafe. That was nice. They also had like a free coffee maker too.
And they also had like a Turkish restaurant that also gives you like a discount to eat at the restaurant as well. So,
So that was nice in terms of location. Central Manchester, really within touching distance of like Arndale and other like train stations and notable like landmarks as well. So that was really quite nice.
So I think we'll have a decision to make. So you guys should just guess below which apartment you think we're going for.
We'll let you know in the next video.
So we'll see you in our next one, and we hope you've enjoyed this video. And
no drama, yeah.